So this is a video of my first time rattling in a buck. This is a cull buck. Him and another deer that was only had one antler, a little unicorn, showed up one day, and I took some videos, took some pictures. It was actually a couple months ago, and my buddy pretty much gave the green light. He said both of them bad genetics, junk rat, shoot them. I was just diddy-daddling on my phone, and I look up and I see him, and he's already turned around, and I'm like, oh man, I can't see what's on his head, and I'm like, well, fuck it, I'll just give him a little bit of a rattle and see if he'll turn around. Don't tear me up in the comment section. I know the rattles were probably not ideal, or maybe, I don't know, it's my first time actually using one during the season, so I was just pretty stoked to actually see the deer responding to it. So don't crucify me in the comments. As you can see, he starts to appear. He's intrigued, trying to see what's going on. Fun fact, you'll never know when to clear or how far to clear your shooting lane until you get deer in front of you, and then you realize, like, oh, that limb is hanging too low, or that palmetto's. So I really couldn't see his rack yet. Just stomping around, just a bit paranoid. He heard the rattles. He came to where all the deer usually hang out at, and he doesn't see anything. So he's just maybe waiting for another rattle to go off. But I can mess with the camera and stuff here, but I don't know. I just thought if I did another rattle, he was probably gonna look exactly right up at me and then just spook him. So I'm just pretty much just playing in whatever he's doing. I'm just watching him. Pretty much sitting here waiting for him to turn him around or turn his head the other way or just keep walking. So at this moment, I'm starting to reach for the shotgun. Then he makes a little mistake right about there. That's when I get enough time to up it. And boom, that's a dead cull buck. You guys enjoyed this little story by me, like, comment, subscribe, let me know. I'll start doing more content like this, more story times with Chubb.